In today's lecture, we are going to dispatch this delete order action. Let me open order list.jsx, and below this we are having this delete button. And for this I will be passing on click event handler, and inside this I will be passing the function. I will give the function name as handle delete. And whenever I am deleting the order, what I have to pass? I have to pass order ID as the argument. Now above this, I will be creating the function. Scroll up. Below this const function name. Inside this, I will pass the parameter as ID. And from admin state, now I will access success, and also I'm just going to access message. So as soon as I click on delete button, first I will be giving that confirmation message. So here I will create the variable confirm. Inside this I will pass window.confirm. Let me come here, click on this entire message I will copy and inside this paste. Are you sure you want to delete this order? If I click on cancel, I will have the result false. If I click on OK, I will have the result true. So inside this, I will check for the condition. If confirmation is given, inside this, I'm just going to dispatch this delete order. Hit enter, action will be imported, and inside this, I will be passing ID as the payload. And finally, below this, we are just going to check for success and error message. So this entire error I will copy, and below this function I will be pasting. If you want, you can create another use effect, but inside the same use effect, I will be writing the logic. If success, if success is true, then copy this entire thing, paste. I will write toast.success, and whatever message we are having in the backend, that message I'm going to access. Inside this, I will pass remove success, hit enter. From admin slice, it will be imported. Then I'm just going to dispatch this clear message. This also we are going to import from admin slice. And inside dependency array, I will also pass success and I will be passing message. But now what happens if the order is deleted? We will be in the same page, and only if we refresh the page, order will be removed from the table. So what we will do, after deleting, again we are just going to fetch all the orders. So below this we are just going to refresh our entire table, and again we will be fetching all the orders. Now come to project. This is processing. I will try to delete, cancel, order will not be deleted. But if I click on OK, I am having this order is under processing and it cannot be deleted. But this order is delivered. Click on delete. OK, I am having order deleted successfully. Again, my orders are refreshed, and in total, now I am having only 4 orders. Only if the order is delivered, we will have order deleted. If the order is not delivered, our order will not be deleted.